तर्जुमान पाक फौज ने मोदी सरकार को तंबी की है कि भारत ने सिंतास मुआहदे की खिलाफ वर्जी की तो आज़ादी कश्मीर पर 6 दरिया पाकिस्तान के होंगे।
A mad person can think that it can stop the water of 250 million people, 240 million plus people of Pakistan. Nobody can do that. If you don't want to follow this treaty, then Kashmir is a disputed territory. Tomorrow if Kashmir joins Pakistan as per the will of the people of Kashmir, then all these 6 rivers belong to Pakistan. And India becomes a low riparian state, and we will see how to deal with them. Nobody can dare stop the water of Pakistan, but actually then Pakistan has right to all these 6 rivers in Kashmir. They came with at the time and place of their choosing, with all the might of their air force, with all the air defense that they have at their disposal, and we shot their 6 aircraft. We didn't attack them. Our retribution was not during the night hours like the way cowardly they gave. We came and we told them that we will come. We declared that we will give you retribution. So be ready. We selected 26 targets. We hit 26 targets. Nuclear conflict between 2 rival nuclear states is a very absurd and stupid idea. And Indians who are trying over years and after years who are trying to craft some space for war or some space for military conflict are actually playing with fire.